Everyone, this is Mumbai ka Nikhil, and right now I'm standing in Are Colony. Are Colony is one of the most haunted places in Mumbai, if you believe in ghosts, that is. If you're active on Facebook and if you have liked my page Mumbai ka Nikhil on Facebook, then I'm sure you're aware of my plan of riding to Delhi. So yeah, the plan is all set. It's on. We'll be leaving for Delhi on 2nd October 2015 morning, early morning, that is. So I'm not going to be uploading any videos from 1st of October to 7th of October because obviously I'm going to be busy riding my bike. I wanted to do a non-stop Delhi, but then we decided that we'll take a halt in Ajmer, which is like 1070 kilometers from Mumbai. So we'll be staying in Ajmer for like 20 or 25 hours, let's see, for a day maybe, and then we'll be going to Delhi. We'll be staying in Delhi and then we'll be coming back to Mumbai. So how we will come back to Mumbai, like which route are we going to take, that is not yet decided. That I'll let you know through Facebook page. So yes, we'll be leaving on 2nd morning. We'll be taking the route Mumbai, Baroda, Halol Express Highway to Godhra, and then from Godhra to Udaipur, and from Udaipur to Chittorgarh, from Chittorgarh to Ajmer, and then we'll be staying in Ajmer, and then we'll be taking the Jaipur Delhi highway to Delhi. Yeah, so this is the route plan, and I'll be going with bunch of my friends, 3-4 of them. Yes, so this is the plan. And now if you are from Ajmer or if you are from Delhi or anywhere in between, and if I would definitely like to meet you if you are one of my subscribers or viewers, especially I spoke to 2-3 guys who are from Ajmer and who are from Delhi. So if you are one of them, so please do comment on the comment section if you are from Ajmer or Delhi, because I don't know how many of my viewers are from Ajmer or Delhi, right? So do comment on the comment section below, and I'll be uploading a lot of pictures and small videos on my Facebook page Mumbai ka Nikhil. So do like the page and please be active on that page also. It really makes me, give me motivation to do more of this stuff. And yes, and one more thing, next year I'll be going to Ladakh. So it's gonna be Mumbai to Ladakh. Yes, somehow I've convinced my mom, and I'll be doing Mumbai Ladakh. So I'm very happy, excited to do the Ladakh also. Actually I wanted to do a Mumbai Delhi and then Delhi Ladakh before this earlier of this year, but unfortunately I couldn't go to Delhi and Ladakh because some of personal problems, so I couldn't go, and then rainy season started. So yes, now rain is almost gone. I'll be going to Delhi, but I'm not doing a Ladakh right now. Not going to Ladakh right now because it's gonna be too cold, and there is no point of going to Ladakh now because it's gonna be, I think, foggy and it's too cold. So yeah, so after Delhi I'm gonna be building more confidence, and then next year it's gonna be Leh Ladakh, baby. Yes. So thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope I have not missed anything. I'll be taking this bike obviously for Delhi, and keep subscribed, enjoy my videos. Thank you for enjoying my videos. See you in Ajmer, or see you in Delhi, or if I take a halt in Udaipur, see you in Udaipur. Thank you very much, guys. Also I'll be making a video about how to prepare yourself for a long ride. I'm not an expert, but I'll do my level best to make a good video, so you will have a decent idea what all problem we go through when we prepare ourselves for a long ride. Convincing our parents, packing up stuff, how much fuel, how do we calculate the journey, stay and everything. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care, and ride safe, ride hard, and do a long distance ride, guys. Know yourself better. Bye.